What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, so I figured I would make a quick video just kind of updating you guys on what's been going on. The weather outside turned to absolute crap. It's been cold, miserable, it's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been sleeting for the last two and a half weeks now. It's just been miserable outside, so I haven't gotten any work done outside, haven't done anything to the tractor, I haven't done any jobs, nothing like that. So that will be coming soon. As soon as the weather breaks, I'll be getting back out there. Why the weather has been crappy, I finally decided to upgrade my camera equipment. So for those of you that didn't know, I've been recording everything off of my iPhone. It's an iPhone 11 X Pro, whatever, and it's been a really good camera for me. But the problem with that is every time you're recording with it, if you get a text message, if you get a phone call, it interrupts your video. So it'll stop taking the video. And you know, if I'm on a job and I have to go look something up on the internet or whatever, I want to use my phone to call somebody, I have to take the camera down from its mount, take it down, exit the video, use my phone, put it back in video, and put it back on the ROP. So I finally decided to upgrade my camera equipment. I ended up going with a GoPro Hero 7 Black. This camera is really good. I'm actually able to shoot in 4K footage now, so all my videos will be in 4K. On the corner of your screen when you're watching a YouTube video, click that little gear. And when you click that little gear, there's settings for your video quality. So if you guys haven't already, turn it up to, you know, 1440p or 4K. It all depends on what your monitor is. But if you're running, even if you're running a 1080p monitor, make sure you're in 1080p. If you're running a 1440p monitor, put it in 1440. And if you got a 4K monitor or 4K TV, make sure you have it in 4K. And that way you'll always get the best video out of YouTube. Because a lot of times they just set that preference for you, and it's something on like, you know, 720p. It'll be on like a low resolution. So just something to look out for. But yeah, all my videos now will be in 4K. They're going to be a lot more clear with this GoPro. It's got some really cool features to it. It's got image stabilization, which the iPhone had it too, but the GoPro's is a lot better. It's a lot more advanced, so you won't get that shaky video anymore. So hopefully my videos come out a lot smoother. It's also got a setting called Time Warp, which is basically like a time-lapse video, but it's a little bit more advanced. It's a lot more smoother when you're doing fast-paced work. So that's going to be really cool. I can't wait to try that out. So basically there's a lot of cool features on it that I'll be able to utilize with my channel. And I know my channel's been growing. Just in the last couple days, it's went up 30-40 subscribers. So I appreciate all you guys that are subscribing to my channel. I feel bad that I haven't made a video in, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. But I just wanted to give you guys an update so that you guys know what's going on. So since I upgraded my camera and I can now shoot in 4K, I figured it was time to finally get on a desktop and start doing my video editing. Editing on a desktop gives you a lot more features that you normally wouldn't have doing it on your phone. Like soundtracks, for instance. I was always using the same 10 or 15 songs, and you know, after a while you get bored of hearing the same music. I know I do, and I'm sure you guys do too. So doing it on the desktop versus on my phone, there's thousands of different soundtracks that I can try out and implement in my videos. So that's another big plus. So that leads me into talking about my desktop computer. I had a gaming computer that I built maybe like a year or two ago. I built it purposely for gaming. I thought I would like the game, and I'm just not that kind of a guy. I like to be outside working. I just can't sit at a computer and look at a monitor when it's beautiful outside and when there's something to be done. So I never really used it for gaming, so it just kind of sat there collecting dust. So finally I decided to clean it all up and get it out, and I kind of rearranged my living room, and I have a little studio, I guess you can call it, where now I can do all my video editing and everything off of my desktop. So in the last couple weeks, I have been upgrading the desktop, getting it ready so it's able to do 4K video editing, because it's very demanding on your system, and you got to have, you know, like NVMe drives and a very powerful processor. You got to have lots of RAM and all that good stuff. So I pretty much went through my computer and did anything that I needed to do to make it so that it was 4K compliant, basically, so that it was able to do 4K footage without a problem. So right now I'll show you guys a little B-roll clip that I made on my computer so that you guys can see what my computer and my setup looks like. like that little B-roll clip I made. I'm definitely no computer geek. I never have been, but building computers is pretty fun. It's something that I wanted to try out, and you know, it turned out really good. I really like the process of building a computer and kind of like looking up the parts and putting it all together. All that piping is all hard piped. I had to hand bend it all. You know, that was a lot of fun to do. As you guys can see, I got a couple monitors here. This helps me with editing. It gives you a little bit more desktop space and a little bit more room to work with. So if you're editing a video and you want to put some slides on the other screen or what have you, you can do that. I also have this connected to my TV in my living room where I could watch Cody and movies and that kind of thing. So it's a pretty nice setup. I'm pretty happy with it, and hopefully with it I could bring you guys some better content to my channel, some higher resolution video, and some smoother footage. That was my end plan, was to bring you guys better video, just in general, better edits, better soundtracks and that kind of thing. So, you know, I really appreciate all you subscribers, and I hope that I can continue to make great videos for you guys that you guys can enjoy. So aside from that, I just figured I'd let you guys know what I've been up to these last couple weeks. Like I said, just building the computer and figuring out my editing station. There has been a lot to learn as far as what editing programs to use and what all the settings do on my GoPro and that kind of thing. So there's been a lot of learning for me to do these last couple weeks. So I've been doing a lot of research and stuff like that. And like I said, this is all to bring you guys hopefully better videos, better quality videos, and hopefully you guys can enjoy them more as well. So, alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one.